Can't create a Roblox account on your iPhone? This issue stops you from joining the game and having fun. Most users don't know why it's happening and how to fix it. Well, in this video, I'll show you how to fix this issue. This usually happens due to network issues, app glitches, or restrictions on your device. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Roblox account creation problem on your iPhone. So let's fix it right now. Before we start, first of all, check your login credentials. Then make sure you have a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Now try turning on airplane mode on and then off again. After that, try these advanced solutions. Solution 1. Check down detector. First, open up the Safari browser. Next, tap on the search box and type down detector without any space. Tap on the first link. Then tap on the search icon in the top right corner. Now search the game. Next, tap the game from here. Then scroll down. Here if you see whether the game is officially down or not. If not, then follow the next solution. Solution 2. Offload Roblox app. First, open up the settings. Then tap on General. Next, tap on iPhone storage. Now, scroll down and find the app. Next, tap on the app and then tap Offload, and again tap Offload. After that, tap Reinstall. Solution 3. Reset network settings. Grab your iPhone, open Settings, tap General, scroll down, then tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, tap Reset. Now tap Reset network settings. This will reset settings like Wi-Fi passwords, but won't delete your data. Then enter the passcode of your iPhone if it asks. Tap Reset network settings again. After you have successfully reset your network settings, go ahead and check whether your problem is solved or not. And that's all. Hope your Roblox login issue is solved by now. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.